People who have been out of their homes for 3 long nights will need to spend at least one more night elsewhere. That's the message just in from the health department in Rockton, Illinois. They held a press conference to update us on potential risks in the air, the ground, and water after the Chemtool fire. Naomi Coles was there. Naomi, I understand this just wrapped up. So what else can you tell us that happened?
That's right. So there's a lot of actually good news coming out of this press conference this evening. What we know, the air quality is stable. The samples are coming back stable. The air quality is staying below dangerous levels. That's all good news. What we also know, they have sent sand, ash, and water samples to the National Environmental Protection Agency, or EPA. They'll be waiting to get some of those samples back. They are expecting a lot of that information tomorrow morning. Another good news, we've talked a lot about the debris falling from the building this week, or from that burning building. They have gotten now half of the samples back. They sent that debris in to be tested. They've gotten about half of those samples back, and what we know is that they have negative contaminants. So that's good news, but you also are still warned not to touch them. Now, a little bit about that sampling process. Dr. Martell from the Winnebago County Health Department explains a bit about how that works.
It's kind of like a finger stick for your blood glucose versus a laboratory testing to diagnose diabetes. We want to confirm those results.
Now, what we do know, there was a mistake made today, this morning. There was a breach of foam. Now, we know that there was a private company brought in to continue fighting this fire. Some foam made it into Rock River. Now, that foam was not contaminated, or it was not the, not the fluorinated foam that's used to fight the fire. There was some of that used for about 3 hours on Tuesday. The EPA is investigating the use of fluorinated foam that has the PFAS, or forever chemical, that is very difficult to get out of the environment once it gets in. About 35 gallons of that we learned today at this press conference were dumped. It was stopped on Tuesday. Later on today, some non-fluorinated foam made it into the river. There was that breach, and so that's what we're knowing right now. You can go online right now for more information. There's a website you can go to put in claims to get some money if you've been damaged or hurt by this incident. Back to you.
Naomi Coles reporting live from Rockton, Illinois tonight. Naomi, thank you.